chapter number 2, which is number up to 50. Welcome again, class 1 kids. So I'm your maths digital mentor once again in front of you. Today we will start with the next chapter, chapter number 2, which is number up to 50. So our first topic is numbers 1 to 9. So we'll count the numbers from 1 to 9. So let's open your books and let's get started with me. Keep your pencil with you and let's get started. So first we'll count from numbers from 1 to 9. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Let's count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Our next topic is how many. Count and write the numbers. So here we have some pictures. We have to count them and write the number below them. In the first picture, we have mosquitoes. Let's count together. So 1, 2. Here we have 2 mosquitoes. So we'll write 2 below them. Next, we have some ice creams. Let's count them together. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here we have total 8 ice creams. So we'll write 8. In the next picture, we have some flowers. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. So here we have total 4 flowers. So we'll write 4. In the next picture, we have some caps. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here we have total 6 caps. So we'll write 6. So kids, let's move forward. Next we have count and write the number and its number name. One is already done for you all. In the first picture, we have some flowers. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we'll write 7 and its name, which is S-E-V-E-N, 7. So in the next picture, we have some bees. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here total 6 bees are present. So we'll write 6 in number and then write its name as well, which is S-I-X, 6. In the same pattern, we'll count number of pictures in the following parts and write the number and its number name. So do the rest by yourself. Next topic is numbers 1 to 50. So let's count together the numbers starting from 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Then we have 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49 and 50. So read these numbers from 1 to 50 by yours once again and practice as much as you can. Our next topic is write the missing numbers. Here, some of the numbers are written and we have to write the missing ones. In the first one, 3, 5 and 6 are written. Rest of the numbers we have to write by ourselves. So let's start. First number written is 3. After 3, we have 4. So we'll write 4 here. After that, 5, 6. After 6, we have 7. Then 8. Then 9. So these are the missing numbers. You have to do the rest of the parts by yourself in the similar manner. So our next topic is tens and ones. We have learned the counting up to 50. Now we will learn about tens and ones. Now 10 and 1 more make 11, which is written as 1, 1, 11. So 110 and 1 ones is equal to 11. Similarly, 10 and 2 more makes 12, which is written as 1, 2, 12. So we can say 110 and 2 ones is equal to 1, 2, 12. In the similar manner, 10 and 3 more makes 13. which is written as 1, 3, 13. So 110 and 3 ones is equal to 1, 3, 13. In the same way, different number of tens and ones can be combined to get more numbers. For example, 20 and 4 more will make 24, which is written as 2, 4, 24. So 2 tens and 4 ones is equal to 2, 4, 24. Similarly, 30 and 6 more makes 36, which is written as 3, 6, 36. So 3 tens and 6 ones is equal to 3, 6, 36. Now let's count and write the number of tens and ones, then write the number in the boxes. First part is already done for you. So let's see the first picture first. Here we have 30 pairs and then we have 5 more pairs. So that means we have 3 tens and 5 ones. So 3 tens and 5 ones means 3, 5, 35. So there are total 35 pairs. In the similar manner, let's do the another part. Here we have picture of some apples. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So first we have total 20 apples. And then we have 2 more apples, which means we have 2 tens. So we'll write 2 in the box. And we have 2 ones. So we'll write 2 in the another box. So 2 tens and 2 ones means 2, 2, 22. So we'll write 22 here. In the similar manner, you have to do rest of the parts. So I hope you can do the rest of the parts by yourself. If you have any doubt, you can ask your teacher. Let's move on to the another topic, which is using an abacus. Numbers from 10 onwards have 2 digits each. One digit is in the ones place and another digit is on the tens place. We can represent the numbers using an abacus. An abacus have 2 rods. Rod number 1 is the ones rod and rod number 2 is the tens rod. A maximum of 9 beads can be used in each rod. Tens and ones can also be represented as capital T and capital O on the rods. For example, 13 has 1 10 and 3 ones. So you can see how it is shown on the abacus. Now let's move on to some questions. Here we have to count and write the number of beads on each rod of the abacus. First, let's draw the abacus. So we'll draw 2 rods like this and we'll make a box like this. First rod is of the tens, so we'll write T, and second rod is for the ones, so we'll write a capital O. Here 2 beads are present, so I'll draw 2 beads. We have to count the number of beads in both of the rods. Let's start with the tens one. So here, since 2 beads are present, so we'll write 2 here. And on the ones rod, no bead is present, so we'll write 0. Since no bead is present. So we have a number 20, which we call 20. In the similar manner, you have to do rest of the parts. You have to just count the number of beads and write the number below them. Let's start with the another question. Draw beads on the abacus to show these numbers. So let's do the first part. Here numbers are written below the abacus and we have to draw beads according to the number. Let's start with the tens one. Here at the tens place 1 is written, so we'll draw 1 bead. And on the ones place 4 is written, so we'll draw 4 beads. 1, 2, 3 and 4. In the similar manner, you have to do rest of the parts. You have to draw number of beads according to the number written below them. So I hope you can do them by yourself, and if you have any doubt, you can ask your teacher. So our next topic is number names. So here we have to read the numbers and their number names. So you can see these are the number names for the numbers from 1 to 50. So read the number names of these numbers very carefully and try to learn these number names. Next we have to write the number names. Here some numbers are given. We have to write their names. So first is 38. So first we'll write 30. THIRTY 30. EIGHT 8 38. Next we have 7. 7 is SEVEN 7. In the similar manner you have to do rest of the parts by yourself. In the next question we have to count the objects and write the number and their number names. Let's see the first part. Here some apples are given. We have to count them. So let's count together, kids. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. So here we have total 22 apples. So we'll write 2 to 22 and we'll write their name, that is TWENTY 20 and TWO 22. In the similar manner, you have to count the objects in the rest of the part and write the numbers and their names by yourself. If you have any doubt, you can refer your teacher. In the next question, we have to write how many tens and ones are there in the given numbers. Also, write the number names. One part is already done for you all. Let's see the first part. The number is 19. So in 19, there is 1 tens and 9 ones. So 1 and 9 are already written. 1 9 becomes 19. So we have to write its name also, which is NINE 9, TWN 19. Similarly, let's do the other part. Here the next part is 36. So in 36 we have 3 tens. So we'll write 3 in the box and 6 ones. So we'll write 6 in the box and 3 6 becomes 36. So we'll write 36 here. THIRTY 30 and SIX 36. In the similar manner, you have to do rest of the parts by yourself. So here comes a point to remember. Let's see what it says. In a 2-digit number, first digit is tens and the second digit is ones. Here we have to write the numbers. One is already done for you. Let's see the first part only. 1 10 and 2 ones. So 1 10 and 2 ones means 1 2, which becomes 12. So we have to write 12 in the box, which is already written for you. Similarly, let's see the other part. Here 3 tens and 5 ones is written. So 3 tens and 5 ones means 3 5 35. So we'll write 35 in the box. In the similar manner, you all have to do the rest of the parts by yourself. If you have any doubt, you can refer your teacher. Next is fill in the missing numbers. So here some of the numbers are written and rest of the missing numbers we have to fill by ourselves. So we have done the countings from 1 to 50. Here you can see it is starting from 1 and ending with 50. So you have to write the missing numbers, the counting from 1 to 50. Our next topic is counting backwards. When we count in backward direction from larger number to a smaller number, it is called reverse counting. For example, counting backward from 10 to 1, we can write as 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here we have to fill in the missing numbers by counting backwards. Let's see the first part. Here it is 18, then we have 4 blanks, then 13 is written, then we have 1 blank and then 11. So we have to fill this missing blanks. So let's count backward. Let's count together. It is starting from 18. 18, before 18 we have 17, so we'll write 17. Then before 17 we have 16. Then we have 15. Then 14. Then 13, which is already written. Before 13 we have 12. And before that we have 11, which is already written. In the similar manner, you have to do rest of the parts by yourself. You have to count backwards like this. In the next question, we have to fill in the missing numbers again. So here the numbers are starting from 37 and we have to count in the backward direction. As you can see, after 37 it is written 36, then 35, then we have to write 34, 33, 32, 31. Like this, we have to fill in all the missing numbers. So I hope you can do it by yourself. Our next topic is before, after and between. Here, three numbers are written 11, 12 and 13. 11 comes before 12, 13 comes after 12 and 12 is in between 11 and 13. Let's move on some exercises. In the first one, we have to write what comes before. Here some numbers are written, like first number is 19 and we have to write a number which comes before it. Before 19 we have 18, so we'll write 18 here. Similarly, next number is 30. Before 30 we have 29, so we'll write 29 here. In the similar manner, you have to do rest of the parts. So I hope you can do it by yourself. And in the next one, we have to write the numbers which comes after. So here we have to tell what comes after. First number is 23. After 23, we have 24. So we'll write 24 here. Similarly, let's see the next one. Next, it is 38. After 38, it comes 39. So we'll write 39 here. So in the similar manner, you have to do rest of the parts. So I hope you can do both of them, what comes before and what comes after. Let's see another question. Write the numbers that come between the given numbers. In the first part, here it is 12 and here it is written 14. We have to write which comes in between them. We know between 12 and 14, it comes 13. So we'll write 13 here. Let's see the another part. Here it is 38 and here it is 40. We have to write the number which comes between them. Between 38 and 40, it comes 39. So we'll write 39 here. In the similar manner, you have to perform rest of the parts. So I hope you can do them by yourself. Next topic is comparing numbers. First is equal. Here you can see two pictures are given. In the one picture, some balls are given and in the another picture, triangles are given. Let's count the number of balls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there are total 6 balls. And let's count the triangles. So let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here are total 6 triangles. Since they are same in numbers, we can write 6 balls equal to 6 triangles. The sign equal to denotes the same number of objects or things on the both side of it. It is read as equal to. As you can see, here it is written 3 equal to 3, 15 equal to 15 and 27 equal to 27. Next is more and less. More means greater. We use the sign like this to denote more number of objects and read it as greater than. So here are some points to remember. Let's see what it says. This sign is read as greater than. The open side means this side has bigger number. Here 5 flowers are more than 3 flowers. So we can write 5 greater than 3 and we read it as 5 is greater than 3. Similarly, 3 flowers are more than 1 flower. Hence we write 3 greater than 1 and read it as 3 is greater than 1. Now next is less, which means fewer. For less, we use this sign like this to denote less number of objects and read it as less than. Here are some more points to remember. Let's see what it says. This sign is read as less than. Closed side means this side has smaller number. A one-digit number is always less than a two-digit number. For example, 3 is always less than 30 and 7 is always less than 21, etc. Here, 2 balls are less than 5 balls. So, hence we can write 2 less than 5 and read it as 2 is less than 5. Similarly, 5 ball is less than 9 balls. So, we can write it as like this and read it as 5 is less than 9. Next topic is comparison of two-digit numbers. We compare numbers by comparing their tens and ones digit. To compare a two-digit number that is between 10 and 99, we follow these steps. Step number 1, we compare the digits at the tens place. The number with the greater tens digit is the larger. Then step number 2 is if tens digit are equal, then we compare the digit at the ones place. The number with the greater ones digit is larger. Let us compare 34 and 28. In 34, the tens digit is 3 and in 28, tens digit is 2. Since 3 is greater than 2, so 34 is greater than 28. In the similar manner, let us compare 23 and 25. In 23, tens digit is 2 and in 25, tens digit is 2 again. Since tens digit are equal in both of them, then we'll compare the ones digit. In 23, ones digit is 3 and in 25, ones digit is 5. Since 5 is greater than 3, so 25 is greater than 23. Next, we have some questions. We have to write these signs for the following numbers. First one is 16 and here it is written 17. We have to put a sign for them. So to compare them, we'll compare their tens digit. Here tens digit is 1 and here tens digit is again 1. Since they are equal, so we'll move on to the ones digit. Here ones digit is 6 and here it is 7. Since 6 is less than 7, that means 16 is less than 17. So we'll put this sign. In the similar manner, let's see the another part. Here it is written 23 and here it is written 23. So to compare them, we'll first compare their tens part. Here tens part is 2. Here again tens part is 2. So they are equal. So we'll move on to the ones part. Here ones part is 3 and here it is again 3. That means ones part is also equal, which means the whole number, that is 23, is equal to 23. In the similar manner, we have to perform rest of the parts. So I hope you can do them by yourself. You have to first compare the tens digit and then move on to the ones digit. The one with the greater number will be the greater one. So I hope you can do rest of the parts by yourself. And if you have any doubt, you can refer to your teacher. Next question is count the object in each box and write the number. In each pair, put less than or greater than sign to compare the numbers. So first, let's see the first picture. First, we have to count the number of pictures. So let's count the number of chairs in the first part. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So here are total 8 chairs. Similarly, let's count the another part. So 1, 2, 3. Here are total 3 chairs. Now since 8 is greater than 3, so we'll put this sign between them. In the similar manner, you have to do rest of the parts. So I hope you can do them by yourself. Next topic is descending and ascending order. When we arrange numbers in a group from biggest to smallest, they are in descending order, also called as descending order. See the following examples. Here 4 numbers are given: 16, 19, 5 and 1. 16 is the biggest one and 1 is the smallest one. So here we are moving from biggest to smallest. So this arrangement we call them descending order. Similarly, let's see another example. Here also 4 numbers are given: 20, 17, 8 and 4. Here 20 is the biggest one and 4 is the smallest one. So here also we are moving from biggest to smallest. So it is known as descending order. Next we have some questions in which we have to write the given numbers in descending order. So here the 4 numbers are 9, 6, 3 and 12. We have to arrange them in descending order. For that, we will write the biggest number first and then move to the smaller one. So out of these 4 numbers, the biggest number is 12. So we will write 12 here. After that, the biggest one is 9. So we'll write 9. Then out of 6 and 3, 6 is the bigger one, so we'll write 6, and the smallest number is 3. So this will be the descending order for these 4 numbers. When we arrange numbers in a group from smallest to biggest, they are in ascending order, also called as increasing order. Now see, some of the examples are given. Let's see the first one. Here 4 numbers are written: 4, 7, 10 and 15. Out of these 4, 4 is the smallest one and 15 is the biggest one. So these numbers are going from smallest to biggest. This type of arrangement is known as ascending order, or we can also call them increasing order. Let's see the another one. Again 4 numbers are given: 9, 12, 15 and 18. Smallest one is 9 and the biggest one is 18. So here we are moving from smallest to biggest. So again, this type of arrangement we call them ascending order, or we can also call them increasing order. In the following question, we have to write the given numbers in ascending order. Let's see the first part. We have 2, 8, 3 and 10. In increasing order, first we'll write the smallest number. Out of these 4, the smallest one is 2. So first we'll write 2. After 2, out of these 3, the smallest is 3. So we'll write 3. Then we have 8 and 10. 8 is the smaller one. So we'll write 8 first. And then 10 is the biggest one. So we'll write 10. So here we are moving from smallest to biggest. So this is the ascending order arrangement. In the similar manner, you all have to do the rest of the parts by yourself. Our next question is count and write the number of objects in each group. Color the group which has largest number of objects. So here are 2 groups are given. In the first group, some flowers are drawn, and in the second group, some balls are drawn. We have to count the number of flowers and number of balls and write the numbers respectively. And the picture which have larger number of objects in them, we have to color them. Let's count the flowers first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have 5 flowers. Now let's count number of balls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. We have 12 number of balls here. So we'll write 12 below them. Since 12 is greater than 5, so we'll color the balls. So you can color them colorful or with the favorite color of yours. Our next question is count and write the number of objects in each group and color the group which has smallest number of objects. So here 2 pictures are given. We have to count the number of objects in each picture and write the numbers. So let's count. First count the number of stars. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here are total 8 stars. So we'll write 8 below them. Now let's count number of balloons. So let's count together, kids. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here are total 7 balloons. Now since 7 is less than 8, so we'll color the balloons. So you can color them colorful with your favorite crayons. Now our next topic is skip counting. Skipping is fun. We can skip numbers and form a pattern. Let's see how. By jumping 2 steps, we skip one number starting from 1 and get 3, 5, 7 and 9. You can see here in the picture. We'll start from 1, then skipping one number, that is 2 in between. We'll jump to 3. Again skipping the number which is 4, we'll jump to 5. So in this manner we'll jump one number between each number. In the same way, if we skip one number starting from 8, we get 10, 12, 14 and so on. So here comes a question. Skip one number and fill in the missing numbers. One is already done for you. In the first part, let's see the first part. Here first number is written 15. Then after that they have skipped one number which is 16 and write 17. Similarly, 18 has been skipped and 19 is written. Then 20 is skipped, 21 is written and so on. In the similar manner, rest of the numbers are written. So in the second part, in the similar manner, we have to do rest of the parts. Let's see the second part. Here 7 is written, after that 9 is written, then 11 is written, then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 blanks, and then 23 is written. So we have to fill these blanks by skipping one number. First 7 is written, then 8 has been skipped, 9 is written, then 10 has been skipped, 11 is written, then we'll skip 12 and write 13 here. Then we'll skip 14 and write 15 here. Then we'll skip 16 and write 17 here. After 17, we'll skip 18 and write 19 here. After 19, we'll skip 20 and write 21. After that, 22, we'll skip 22 and 23 is already written there. In the similar manner, we have to do rest of the parts of this question. So I hope you can do them by yourself. If you have any doubt, you can refer your teacher. Now the another interesting topic is 0. There are 3 eggs in the tray. If 3 eggs are eaten, how many eggs are left in the tray now? None or nothing we can say. So we write it as 0 and read it as Z-E-R-O 0. Here in the picture we can see Rahul bought 4 balloons. All balloons flew into the air. Then how many balloons are left with the Rahul? Since he had 4 balloons and all of them flew away, so nothing is left with him now. So we write 0 balloons are left with him. Now here is a point to remember. Let's see what it says. 0 means nothing or none. When we have no objects to count, then we say that we have 0 objects. So with this, we have completed our second chapter. I hope you enjoyed and understood which we have studied till now. We'll meet again in another interesting chapter. Till then, practice as much as you can.